Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish all of you are fine. Welcome to my new class for your class 9. Before starting my lecture, you just take your book in front of you and compare with my lecture. In my last class, I finished chapter 4. This is a new class, and in this new class, you will start a new chapter. This is chapter number 5. So today we will discuss about chapter number 5. So open page number 83 in your book, and at first go to my laptop screen. This is chapter number 5, and this chapter is called chemical bond. You know what is chemical bond. Actually, I will discuss it elaborately what is chemical bond in this chapter, and before that I have to learn another few topic. So this is page number 83, and here by the end of this chapter we will be able to learn about these topics. Okay, now this is page number 84. 5.1 section. This is called valence electrons. Valence electrons. What is valence electrons? So we have to learn this topic. Actually, the valence electron is the total number of electrons of an atom in its outermost energy level is called its valence electron. So total number of electrons in outermost energy level of an element is called valence electron. Suppose I am talking about nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. So total number of electrons in outermost energy level is 2 plus 3, because this is second orbit, this is also second orbit. So total number of electron will be 5. So its valence electron is 5. So for nitrogen, valence electron is 5. So here the total number of electron is 5. That's why its valence electron is 5. And suppose for oxygen, its atomic number is 8. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4, because total number of electron is 8. So its valence electron is 2 plus 4. This 2 plus 4, this is 6. So its valence electron is 6. So we should count only the total number of electrons in its outermost energy level. Suppose hydrogen, it has just one electron, so its valence electron is only 1. So this is very easy topic. Now I will explain this topic according to our book first. Here the number of total electrons at the outermost principal energy level. Outermost principal energy level, that means outermost shell of an element, is called valence electron of that element. For example, electronic configuration of potassium and oxygen show 1 and 6 electrons at their outermost energy level. So in case of potassium, its valence electron is 1, and in case of oxygen, its valence electron is 6. Here a table is given, some example is given there. Suppose for nitrogen, valence electron is 5. So for fluorine, valence electron is 7. For calcium, valence electron is 2. So now I explain about this potassium, why its valence electron is 1. So go to my whiteboard. In case of potassium, its atomic number is 19. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 6, 2, 4, 10, 12, 18. So we have just one electron in its 4s energy level. So that's why this electron is its valency electron. So in its outermost energy level there are only 1 electrons. That's why its valence electron is 1. Okay, no problem. Inshallah we will discuss it future, inshallah. Now in case of nitrogen, I have already explained in case of nitrogen, and then Individual task. Student activity. Find out the number of valence electron for fluorine, phosphorus and chlorine and calcium. Fluorine, phosphorus, chlorine and calcium. So at first I have to erase the board properly. Then I will show you the valence electron of all the elements here. Fluorine, phosphorus. Fluorine. Its atomic number is 9. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. So its valence electron is 7 because these 2 plus 5 equal 7. Then phosphorus. Phosphorus, atomic number of phosphorus is 15. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 3s2, 3p, 2, 4, 10, 12. So 15 minus 12, this is 3. So in its outermost energy level, that is third energy level, we have 2 plus 3, that means 5 electrons. So its valency electron is 5. Then chlorine. You know the electronic configuration. I have explained about this electronic configuration in my previous lecture. That's why I am not explaining this electronic configuration today. I just write the valence electron from here. Okay. Now for chlorine and calcium. For chlorine, its atomic number is 17. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. Count the total number of electrons. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 10 plus 2, this is 12. So we have 5 electrons in its 3p orbital. So for last orbit, there are 2 plus 5, that is 7 electrons. So we know fluorine and chlorine, both of them are in a same group, that is in group number 17. They are called halogen. So that's why they have same valence electron, same number of valence electron. Then calcium. Calcium. Atomic number of calcium is 20. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, then 3p6. Count total number of electrons. 2, 4, 10, 12, then 18. So we have 20 electrons for calcium. Already I wrote 18 electrons. That means we have remaining 2 electrons. You know, electron will go to 4s orbital first after filling 3p orbital. So 2, 4, 10, 12, 18, then 20 electrons. So what is the total number of electron in its outermost energy level? Yes, outermost energy level is 4, not 3 here, because 3 is a inner orbit compared to this 4th orbit. So total number of electron is 2. That's why its valency electron is 2. So valency electron is a very easy topic. Inshallah you will practice it a lot in your home, then you will understand it properly. So take few elements in your copy and write its electronic configuration and find its valency electron. Then you will learn it properly. Thank you very much. Inshallah see you in my next class.